right, this is Baking with Kristina. You may be asking, what are you baking, Kristina? Yeah, what are you baking today? Today, we're baking, drum roll please, chocolate chip cookies! Yay! Ingredients you'll need. Let me just get out my handy dandy recipe here. 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons, not teaspoons, tablespoons of flour. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, sugar, brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of buttered flavored shortening, which we don't have, so we're just going to be using normal shortening. And 1 egg, not 18, just 1. And of course, you need the chocolate chip. Step 1 is obviously wash your hands. Always need to wash your hands. In a small bowl, this green one is a good size, but it's a little big. But we'll combine flour, spoon it in till you got a mountain. Once you get that mountain, you get a knife, flat end, scrape across, just like that, and look at that. It should look beautiful. And then dump that baby in. All right, now let's get our 2 tablespoons. Or baking soda, just scrape it on the top lid. Boom. And salt. Salt is a mess, so maybe you want to do it over your sink. So, yeah. Now we'll just get the knife and level it out. Yeah, perfect. Next instruction is in a larger bowl, but you know, we're just going to use the same size bowl because this bowl is perfect. Okay? Beat margarine, sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla. All right. This is the funnest step. Okay. Just scoop. All right. Scoop and shove, scoop and shove. Am I right, ladies? Shove her in there. Keep shoving, keep shoving. You know, good enough, right? Yeah. And this stuff is not gonna plop out, so that's not what you do either. But you do this, you scoop that baby out, and beep. Or not. Man, she's being stubborn today. Get it off! Ah, finally. Okay, you know, we didn't get it all out, but who cares? I don't care. Oh, we got a problem here. I need the sugar, but you're kind of set up on the sugar, so 1 moment, please. Oh my Lord, this baby heavy. So, oops. Oh, sugar is so messy. Oh my. All right, on to brown sugar. Just pack that in there. Pack it in there. Oh! Oh my God. Why are you so difficult? Just use your hands, right? We washed them earlier. It's okay. How the heck am I gonna do this? All right, here we go. Wow! make a sandcastle. Dang, we're pro. Ooh, perf. Yes! And now it's fun facts with Kristina. I can crack an egg with my one hand. Yes! Successful! So look at that. Woo! And then we got some yolk on there that we're just gonna ignore, but. And beat well. Well, we're just gonna use this thing to beat that. Yes. She is looking scrumptious. Am I right, ladies? Yes. Oh, yeah. Little handbrake. I'm a little tired. Ah! We're almost there. So then we'll just gradually beat in flour mixture. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is how it's turning out. Oh, no. This is just a mess. Like, ooh, oh my god, and this counter is all wet and full of yolk. Forgot that I kind of spilled the yolk there. And just go back to mixing, which maybe we should do over the sink so we don't have to sweep up the floor, right? 1 cup of chocolate chip. Just dump them in there. All right. Oh, and then the ones that fall on the floor, just eat those. Yeah, because we're not wasteful here. Dump those babies in. Woo! Almost done. Now to mix these babies up. Oh my lord, we forgot to preheat the oven. Oh my god. Okay, make sure nothing's in there before you preheat it. And we need to preheat it to 375. Bake 375. Woo! Once your batter is mixed, you better get a spoonful of that and take a bite. Can't wait to get salmonella. And this one. Now we're gonna make little cookies or big cookies, whatever tickles your fancy, doesn't matter. I normally make them like little, so about like this size. Yep. And plop her right onto the pan. Still got some cookie dough left, and we finished 1 pan of cookies. When you have fingers that look like this, just increase your chances of getting salmonella. Beat for the camera, honey. Beat. Oh, and it's time to put the cookies in. So we'll just start on the bottom. Yeah. This recipe isn't very specific on like the time zone of how long to cook them. So I just check them after 5 minutes. And then if they're not done, then I just like check them again after another 5 minutes and then go on from there. I just like kind of just check on them. Make sure you don't forget about them though. In the meantime, while everything is baking, just jam out.
Fourscore and 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, here have thus far so nobly advanced, that from these honored dead we take increased devotion to that cause for which they gave the last full measure of devotion, and a government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. Abraham Lincoln.
All right, it's been about 10 minutes, so let's check the cookies. Yasmin! I almost forgot about the cookies, so they're a little kind of burnt because I was just jamming out to the Gettysburg, you know, but it's all right. We like burnt cookies, right? Oh, set these babies down. Cookies. Beautiful. And don't forget to turn off your oven when you're done because you do not want your house burning down, am I right? Time for the fun part, cleaning up and doing dishes. Yay! Taste test. Tastes scrumptious.